we are preparation of guys. So this is just a preparation. Right now we have seen the configuration. We have enabled the OSPF. Sorry. Right now we have enabled the OSPF from the on this network and on this network, and we can see there is a communication going on between these two guys. They can talk to each other without any problem. You can test from the telnet, or you can test from the HTTP, and also you can verify the OSPF between these two neighbors. Okay. Once the OSPF is enabled, you can easily now these guys are also learn about the 10 network, and 10 network now knows about the 20 network, so they can easily communicate with each other. And this verifies that the traffic is coming from the higher security level going to the low security level will be working without any problem, without any access list. Now I need to configure two static routes. These two static routes are required. One static route is required for the, okay, this network 192.168.21.1. Okay, there is a server as well. So we can configure two static routes for the outside network and one static route. On the internet side, you will not be configuring any static routes. So let me just show you, okay? So right now on my machine, my internet is not working. Let me check. Okay, the internet is not working, and the internet is not working if I check the logs of my machine. So you can see the internet is not loading. You see, it's not working. Yeah. So basically, how can I? So basically, I need to do these static routes. Route. When you do the question mark, it will show you which interface. It's not showing you the physical interface, but name of the interface. So every physical interface has some kind of a name. So I need to configure the static route for the internet first of all. We will be only doing static route, one static route, default route. Hostname 201.254.1. Enter. So right now I have configured a static route from the Cisco firewall point of view. On this Cisco firewall, I have configured a static route 000 pointing to 201.254, and my interface name is internet. Okay, show route. Now you can see if firewall does not know anything, it will be forwarding to this guy. If I go to 8.8.8, let me see why it's not working. Connection is going to be built, but I can't see 888. None of the other connections built, but let's see I will see what's the problem. I will first check that. Why is that? Okay, then we need to configure two more static route for the which side? On the outside. So my out is out 21, and I will be configuring the static route for these two networks. Okay, on this is this side. One is this and one is this. This is shown here. 192.168.21 and 201.21. 200. Sorry, not 200. 100. Next hop. Sorry, 100. 100. 21.1. 255, 255, 255, 225. That's the subnet mask. And next hop IP. The next hop IP will be this 201.21.1. Similarly, another static route. Show route static. Route out 21. So you can see I have configured two static route towards this interface. Show route internet. I have configured default route as well. Okay, the internet will not work. There is a reason for that. Anybody knows the difference why the internet is not working, by the way? The internet will work once we apply the NAT. We need to apply. Okay, let me just go you on the ASA. And if you apply any configuration on the command line, you need to refresh it so firewall can get the latest configuration. Okay, so here you can see we have configured static route. This is the static route we have configured from the command GUI. Okay.
Mazza, I think my screen's keeps breaking up.
Sorry?